So this, back at it again with another one. And I might have just put some tires on it for right now. But you see it's kind of drizzling. About to do a little skit, you know, to get to this open area right quick and swing it around. It's just something to post for y'all. Since finishing the car, I need to do a whole exhaust video for y'all because it's hard to really explain. I mean, I need someone to actually record it. Like, me trying to record it right now doesn't do any justice because I don't have the right mounts right now and stuff, so I'm not getting the correct video for y'all. I'm lacking in that department, but we're gonna get some videos, and I'm gonna set my phone down and get a little for y'all today before I go change these tires. Yeah. So I get back at y'all when I get to the location, the spot or whatever. That tire getting low. We're just gonna record from the inside. Mix my shit off.
Proceed to
coming.
Keep left.
It's going to like it wanna upshift. Yeah, upshift. That's the one thing about this. If you want it upshift, I might just get my tire.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Caverton Road. Turn right onto Caverton Road.
Let me do one baby burnout though.
In half a mile, turn right onto Criden Way.
See how far I can take that. Ooh, that ain't a pothole. Something for y'all. I'm gonna get some better content. Like, I ain't gonna keep giving y'all the same
Turn right
shit
onto Criden Way.
I've already gave y'all. So just
in half a mile, turn right onto Paston Drive.
Do more. And I gotta get some videos for y'all for the this motherfucker be shooting flames now. It's just full exhaust. This is a full exhaust for i7. We're gonna get more into it in the future, but yeah, full exhaust.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
But I catch back up with y'all. We'll get y'all some more rep.
Turn right onto Paston Drive, then turn left.
We get some tires put on her. would like put my tag and stuff. I see the windows. Let me tell you, put the fronts on. It looks all ass naked in the front now. I've been tearing her up. I've been enjoying her. Been enjoying her, baby. I could have done way more. I did a burnout before I got here.
Burnout?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, it's smelly.
In a circle. Around the corner.
What's about to blow up?
If I could have, I would have. Yes, Oh, my camera not even picking it up. That's crazy. You need some cleaning. Full rear. That's what y'all need to take note of. You get you a good full exhaust. Y'all seen it when it was on the stand, but anyway, you get you a good full exhaust that goes straight back, 3-inch in and out. You golden, buddy. Got a 1-piece drive shaft in here too. Yeah, this car is simple. Rear end, full exhaust, stall, 1-piece drive shaft, rims. Now we just need to convert the front, which I'm gonna do a whole separate video. Yeah, let's pop the hood. Actually, I wasn't going to. I got my box working, all that. It's all tucked away. But as you can see, that's for the active runner. You buy the box from MMX. They have a box that they sell, and you hook up the active runner. You know, we complete package, y'all. We golden. I wouldn't say I'm full bolt on, but bolt on. I need a tune for real, because it's not running its best. I can tell you that now. I got Hellcat injectors. I haven't put my wall barrel pump in yet. But that's all simple stuff. Like, I could do them with my eyes closed in 20 minutes. We golden though, y'all. This motor probably has about 40K, 140K on it too. Like the old motor. Because I pulled it out and put it in the Durango for a little bit when I had the Charger. Y'all know I be switching motors around car to car. Golden, guys. I need to buy a taser. Eventually we're going to put a 6.4 in here. I feel there's no need to really buy, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, there's no need to really buy a Hellcat and swap it or whatever. Because the same thing I could do with a Scat. Once you build them, which once you're spending that money, you're spending it. Like, don't start going cheap now. So when the time comes, there'll probably be something built in here. It's only 2 things I can do, truthfully. Good old 5.7 or 6.4. So we're gonna see. I don't know. I just like the sound of the 6.4s. Like, these sound good, yeah. But the brute sound of how a 6.4 is gonna sound with this full exhaust. God. And it's a different experience with the 5 speeds and the 8 speeds. Like, I can't explain it. You just gotta know. Throwing some 275s on the rear here. There's some low Bridgestones. I come to him every now and then for cheap tires. 180 for these. So it's all, you know, whatever. I think he balancing them too. So that's good money in my book. 2 tires for 180. Yeah. Yes, sir. I think these came off of like a scat or something. These are factory tires. If I'm not mistaken, I've seen them before on one. I had them on my other Hellcat wheels. But I don't remember how they were. Yes, I. Yeah. 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 They wanted me, what's her name? That's on my ass.
And this man was crying.